Hello everyone, it's Amy and welcome to my channel. I am here to show you the second journal that I made for my oldest daughter. I already did one for my youngest daughter. They are very much alike. We have the same charms. We have the pig and the owl. And again, we have the tassel that is removable, so she can possibly hang it somewhere else if she doesn't want it hanging on her journal. We have the elastic cover with the button. And I'm just going to take off the tassel, and these tassels will also fit if they wanted to keep them on. They will fit on the binding. You just slide the two rubber bands apart, put it on there, and then the rubber bands will slide back over the top of it. And so if they wanted to keep it on the spine, they could do that. And so inside they are very, very much the same. And the only differences really that we have is this daughter's book is mostly pink, and the other's daughter's book was turquoise. And so we have all of the January, February, March, and April. And then we have her pictures here, again, with some little tags in this first one, just so that they can know that they can put things in there. And so here she is riding her horse, doing saddle seat. And there she is for Christmas with her Christmas presents that year. And here she is graduating with her younger sister. Well, her younger sister wasn't graduating. This was when she graduated, and she's there with her younger sister. And then here she is. She did very well all through her years showing chickens at the fair. So this was, she took grand champion during this fair season. She did that quite often. And here we are on the cruise that we took for her senior year vacation. And then this is when we were down there with Senior Frog, I think is his name. So, and then again, it's very much the same until we get to, this is her belly band that I used with Sonia's Crazy Quilt tutorials. And these are the fabrics that are in her quilt. And then again, she has the same little moon and star and booklet to write things in there to keep notes. And then the last page in her signature and the back cover. And on hers, again, she has her Made with Real Honey for her papa. And then with hers, because she's a redhead, her bird is a red-headed woodpecker. And then 5 is her birthday. So that is, we have the paper clip here at the top that she can clip things under, and then she can clip things under the back also, and those just slide right off. And because I did put hard cardstock there, they do slide very easily off and on. So then we've got our second set of months with the same cards in the front. And so we have May and June, and then July and August, and I love the lace on there. And then these are her second set of pictures. This is during her graduation, and this is all of us. This is my husband and I, and then this is his brother and sister-in-law, and all of our kids. And then this is Nikki with Papa and Grandma. And then this is Nikki with her first dog, and she got to name him, so she named him letter O. So we called him O, but you'd go outside to call him, and we lived at that time in a trailer park. It'd be like, hero, hero, or hi-o. It's like, I wondered what people thought. And then here she is cheerleading. So I think that was her senior year. She cheerleaded all through school, and then this is just typical her. She's got her notepad, she's got her keys, and she is off to do some work. So we just had to put that in there. Both my husband and I said, oh, look, that's her. So, and then again, we have the journaling cards in all of the things here. And again, we have the lace cross to hold that in with the booklet with some pages inside and a little heart charm. And then we have the paper clip on the back of this signature. And then the final signature again has the journaling cards. And this is September and October, November, and December. And this is her plastic pocket with the magnetic closure so that she can keep things in there that she doesn't want to fall out. And the final bits of the back of the signature and the sticky notes and the closure. And then again we have a little embellishment that I made, and the writing card that you can use to put behind your pages. If you want to write on something and there's something bulky behind it, you can just put that in there. You can write on that, and whatever's bulky is not going to interfere with your writing. So, and now I wanted to show you how to reverse. Well, we can take this off. How to reverse this. So the only thing that you have to do is remove the signatures, and really the easiest way is to just remove the whole signature, rubber band and all. So I'm just going to take out, try and keep them in order so when I put them back there, I don't put them back wrong. Just so take off that one, and then just take off this one, and our rubber bands are keeping them together, and they'll go back right in the correct order. And remove that one, and also remove this pin so we can pin it back on the inside. So now when you go ahead, all you have to do is just fold it this way and fold it this way. And I have creased them both ways. So now this is the back though. So you flip it over, and that's why the buttons are on upside down on the inside, so that they're right side out when you if you decide to flip it around. And then inside here I just have cardboard, just chipboard, and then I sewed around the outside edges with the chipboard inside. I did not sew through the chipboard. I used fabric glue to glue the fabric to the chipboard. So, but then we have this here like this, and then all you have to do is just take your signatures, put your rubber band back on there. Oops. You want the rubber band on the outside. Just slide that on. And there's the first signature. And then I would have to do the second signature and the third signature because I started with the first one. And then you just go ahead and close it this way. So that is the journal that I made for my oldest daughter. I hope that you enjoyed this video and that you like the journal. Remember, when you're doing, it's a calendar, it's not a journal, and that is why I did not fill them up too much. So thank you very much for watching. I really do appreciate it, and I hope that you all have an outstanding day. Bye-bye.